Hello everyone, welcome to PRP Coding YouTube channel. I am Praveen Ravindran Pillai. In this session, I shall explain about IComparable interface in C#. So let's start. I have created a list of integers with values 5, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Then I have used the built-in sort method of the list class. Finally, I have incorporated the code to display the sorted numbers list. Now let me run the application and test this. And here you can see that the numbers list got sorted, and that too in the ascending order. Now, in this project, I have added a class named Apple Product with two properties, name and price. Now, let me create a list of Apple products, sort it, and display the sorted list in the console. For that, let me add the code here. Okay, so let me add the missing reference for the Apple product here. Okay, and the error is gone. So here I have added 4 Apple products with iPad Pro, iPhone 15 Pro, AirPods Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max with the respective prices. Here you can see I have called the sort method against the Apple products list, and then I have looped through the Apple products to list the product name and the price. Now let me run this application. It seems like we got an error, so let me expand this output and let me scroll up. Okay, so here you can see that the numbers list got sorted properly, but we got an error while sorting the Apple products. So here the error says that failed to compare two elements in the array. At least one object must implement IComparable. Okay, then how come the numbers list got sorted properly? For that, let me go to the definition of this integer struct. Here you can see that this int32 struct has extended the IComparable interface. So what is an IComparable interface? The IComparable interface is used to define a default sort order for objects of a specific type. This means that classes that implement this interface can be sorted and ordered in a specific way. Okay, so now let's see the definition of IComparable interface. So let me go to the definition, and here you can see that it contains an abstract method named CompareTo, which takes the generic parameter as the input argument and the return type is an integer. Okay, so now let's see the implementation of this CompareTo method in the int32 struct. So let me go to the search, and here I can say compare to hint, and here you can see that the compare to logic is implemented like this. So it says that if this is less than value, return -1. If this dot greater than value, it is 1, otherwise it is 0. So what is this -1, 0 and 1? -1 means that the current instance is less than the object being compared to. If the current instance is less than the object being compared to. Now, 1 means the current instance is greater than the object being compared to. And what 0 means? The current instance is equal to the object being compared to. This compare to logic is used in the sort method of the list class, and the default sort order is in ascending order. So if we want to perform sorting against list of Apple product, the Apple product class must extend and implement the IComparable interface. So let me do that. So I can say IComparable of Apple product, and let me implement the method here. Okay, so here let me remove this throw new not implemented exception. Here we need to write the logic for comparison. This method returns an integer. We have already seen that the int32 struct has already extended and implemented the IComparable interface. So we can invoke the CompareTo method of the price property as it is of type integer. So here I can say return price dot CompareTo, and here I can pass other dot price. That's it. Now let me go and run this application and see whether everything is working fine. And here you can see that the Apple products are sorted properly this time, and that too in ascending order. Ascending order based on the price. So it's 300, 999, 1099, and 1299. Now, if you want to sort the Apple products by price in descending order, then we need to reverse the comparison logic. So let me close this, and here we need to return other.price.compare to, and this time here we need to pass it as price. That's it. So now let me go and run this application and see whether it is sorting in descending order. And here you can see that the Apple products are sorted in descending order based on the price. So this is all about IComparable interface in C#.NET. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next updates. Thank you.